Hi everyone and welcome to Urki Electrical channel. Today we will show you how to install and wire a 3-meter gang box. This is for a building of 3 apartments. So I mean 2 apartments with a basement. So we're gonna have 1 meter for the first floor, 1 meter for the second floor, and the third meter will be for the PLP or basement. So over here we will have the first meter, the second meter, and the third meter, and we will have the disconnect for the first floor, disconnect for the second floor, and a disconnect for the PLP or basement. So we will have 3 meters and 3 disconnects. So we have put up the panels. As you can see, the boxes are up tight, very nice and very tight. And now we will do the wiring, and we put the IMGBs. They already put up everywhere. As you know, the boxes gotta be grounded. As you can see, there is the ground bar mounted ready with 6 holes. As you may know, we have a ground rod that's gonna come here. We have the water pipe that's gonna come here, and the 3 disconnect boxes gonna be grounded from here. So we will have 6 wires that will come to this grounding bar here. As you can see, we have the green ground wire ready, connected to the water pipe right here with a jumper. You see, it's connected to the water pipe here and jumper to the same pipe here. Yeah, that's how we do it, and we run it on the ground. And come here, and this wire gonna be connected to the ground bar here, and the ground rod is outside. We will bring one ground wire from that ground rod to this ground bar here too, and then we will connect all of these things together, bound it. They have to be bounded. And look, after we do the wiring, we have the bounding screw here that we'll take and then put it in this hole here and screw it to the box to bound the box to the ground. So we did put it up. We're gonna explain to you how we did and how we did the wiring. So we did put the panel up at the center. The important here is the center of the meter. The center of the meter here. The center of the meter gotta be between 4 feet 6 and 5 feet 6. So right now we have the center of our meter here at 5 feet and 6 and 3/4. So that's very good. It's between 6 and 4. So that's very good. It's accepted by code. So now we did put the ground bar. This ground bar is where we do all the grounding connections. So over here we have 2 wires coming. These 2 wires is one wire come from the water pipe, the other wire come from the ground rod that is installed outside, and these 3 wires here, each one of them go to one disconnect box. We have 3 disconnect box. Each meter go to a one disconnect box. This is a disconnect box here. So this disconnect box, we will put a 70 amp breaker here for the PLP or basement, and over here we will put something 70 amp breaker for the first floor, and the next one gonna be for the second floor. So now we will explain to you how we did the wiring. This is the ground. We are installing a service for this building. This service gonna have 3 meters, but these 3 meters gonna be in parallel. So we're gonna have only 2 phase and 1 neutral coming in the building, and that's gonna share between the 3 meters. So now how is that gonna happen? We have the black line and the red line and the white neutral. So the feed gonna come from the Con Edison outside and feed into this box here, and then the 2 phases, the black and the red, is gonna come connect right here, and they're gonna come connect right here, and the neutral will come connect to this log right here. The white neutral gonna come connect here. So both meters will be interconnected in parallel. So as you can see, we come from the first log here, go to the second meter, and from the second meter we go to the third meter. We did the same thing for the red wire, we did the same thing for the white neutral here. So each meter, the center of the meter is the neutral, though, so it's going to be connected to the neutral line. So after that, we have to do the grounding. The most important wire in the wiring, in the electrical wiring, is the ground wire. Everybody knows that. So this ground wire in the service wiring is connected to every panel. Every panel gotta have a IMGB. The IMGB gotta be screwed on the connector of the box, and the wire come and get tied to that IMGB. So as you can see, we did those connections. We connect that to the ground. As you may know, to the service, the ground gotta be bounded to the neutral. And after we do that bounding, we gotta take this bounding screw here and put it in this hole you can see here and screw it tight, it nice to this panel. So this is the bounding screw that we're gonna put in here. We didn't put it yet. So all the neutral and the grounding are bonded together. They bonded together and bonded to the IMGBs and to the disconnect panels. They all bounded together and connected to the neutral bar too. So as you can see, we did all the connections, we did it tight, nice, and we are just waiting for the Con Edison now to bring the power inside the box here and connect the two phases and the neutral to the logs here, and we are set.